Hello guys, in this video I'm showing you how you can restrict someone on Messenger. So let's jump into the video. But before getting started, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel and here we upload daily how to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeable tech videos like this one. So let's get started. So I am gonna show you that how you can unrestrict someone on Messenger by restricting a random account and then unrestricting that account. So firstly I am gonna choose that account and then I want to restrict that account, and after that I am showing you how you can unrestrict that. So firstly open any of the chat, then tap on the profile icon which is in the top left corner. After that you have to go to the very bottom of that page, and here you can see in the privacy tab restrict option. Simply tap on the restrict option and then it is saying that that person is restricted. So when you go back and here when you again go back to that home chat, then here when you restrict someone on Messenger, then you can't see that person in in this chat list which is in the home page of the Messenger. So to find that person or unrestrict that account, you have to simply tap on this profile icon which is in the top left corner. After that you have to scroll down and here you can see the preferences tab. Tap on the privacy which is in the preferences tab, and here you can find the restricted accounts. Tap on the restricted accounts and here you can see that person. Simply tap on that person and it will open this person's chat, and in the very bottom you can see unrestrict option. Simply tap on the unrestrict and it is saying that that person is unrestricted. So that's how you can do that. If you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Now see you